Wade McNutt here with Piano Chops, and welcome to this lesson. We're going to talk about how to play beautiful chords. Now, when you're playing on the piano, there's so many different things to think about that you could think about. And reading notes, there's all this information, all these dots. I don't want you to get lost in that. I'm not even going to talk about what kind of chords I'm playing here. I want to do a simple concept so that you're not overthinking, so that you're more experimenting. All right, because that's what I want you to do. I want you to use your ear, and I want you to create beautiful things yourself. All right, so let's start with a basic C major chord. All right, so you're probably thinking, all right, this is what I want to grow from. This is what I want to, not just do anymore, is play a simple little C chord. So how do you make that more beautiful? Here's what I want you to do. I want you to experiment. I want you to start moving some notes around. So let's start with the middle note here. Instead of playing here, let's move it down right there. A little bit different sound, huh? How about if we moved it up to the F? And now we're getting some different sounds. Maybe more beautiful, right? How about if we take just the bottom note and move it down right here? All right, I'm going to put some rhythm with it. I'm just going to go bottom to the top. Right? Does it have a beautiful sound to it? Experiment. Have fun with this stuff. How about if I add in another note here? This D. Right? Just move stuff around. How about I move up the top note? If I move it up, move it down. What if I just add in that note? Now, all of these chords have a name, but I don't want you to worry about that in this lesson. You can search everywhere to find all the different chord names. I just want you to use your ear. Okay, let's look at the middle note again. So this time we moved it down. I will tell you, C minor chord. One little movement makes a C minor chord. Okay, what can we do to give that a different sound? Now, how crazy is this? We just played this a second ago, right? But because C minor, because this is right before it, it all of a sudden sounds completely different. Sounds beautiful. Crazy. Let me do that again off of the major chord. Okay, so move things around. One little note can make just kind of a bland chord like this start sounding beautiful. Top note, middle note, add in a note, whatever. Have fun. That's the main point of playing anyway, is to have fun. Hey everybody, it's Wade McNutt. I have a free PDF that I want to give you. It's all about playing by ear and all the different things I've learned that goes into it. So all you got to do is click below the video, and there's a link that'll say something about PDF, playing by ear, and what it'll do is sign you up for the newsletter. So all it costs you is an email address, and then I'll send that right over to you.